Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you Methi Mutton fry. This pairs very well with rice, rasam, or you can also eat it with rotis. It's very nice and tasty and it's a very healthy recipe. So let's get started. I've prepped up all the ingredients and laid it out. Here I've already pre-cooked my meat. I'll show you how I pre-cooked the meat and I've reserved. And then I've also cleaned a bunch of methi leaves, washed it thoroughly and reserved it. Finely chopped one large onion. We need cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, lime, coriander powder, chili powder, dried red chilies, ginger and garlic paste and pepper powder. I've started to pre-cook my meat in the pressure cooker. I've heated 2 teaspoons of oil, added cinnamon, clove and cardamom. I've also added the meat, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder and salt to cook the meat. So now I'll fry the meat for 2 minutes. Once the meat has fried well, then I'll add enough water to cover the meat and then I'll cover the pressure cooker, place a whistle and cook the meat till it's well done. So it took me roughly about 3 whistles. Now here my meat is cooked and it's well done. I'll reserve it. I've heated a wok with 2 tablespoons of oil. I've placed the wok on very low to medium flame. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe along with the prep steps. Once the oil has reached temperature, I've added dry red chilies, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, and I've also added one small piece of star anise. Now we'll allow these spices and the dried red chilies to splutter a bit, and once the dried red chilies have fried well, I'll add my finely chopped onions. We'll fry the onions for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame till it turns transparent. Now I'll add ginger and garlic paste and we'll also add salt to fry the onions further. We don't have to fry the onions till it turns brown or anything. It has to just turn transparent because we like that gravy also, which we call as toku. We like to mix it with rice and eat it. Now I've added salt. This will be for the gravy, the masala that we are preparing. Because I've already added salt in the meat to cook the meat in the pressure cooker. So I've adjusted the salt in the masala. Now once the onion has fried well, I'll add my methi leaves. This is one bunch of methi leaves that my mother cleaned and we need to wash it thoroughly. We don't prefer to chop the methi leaves in our house because we feel that when we add it whole, the taste is also the same. It does not lose any taste or anything. So we don't prefer to chop the methi leaves. We add it directly. See, I have fried the methi leaves till it's wilted down and then added chili powder and coriander powder and fried the methi leaves in the masala. Now we'll add the meat along with the broth and we will stir well and cook the meat on medium flame. From now you have to fry the meat on medium flame. The methi leaves will also eventually cook down. The onion methi leaves will eventually cook down and it will get cooked with the meat. Now at this point, if you want it in a semi-gravy format, you can remove the meat from the flame. This gravy pairs very well with chapatis, dosas, idlis. You can remove this from the flame and you can serve it with the gravy. But I am going to fry it further. I like that mutton dry fry sort of masala, which I mix it with rice and eat it. So I like it that way. So I'm going to fry it further. It hardly took me around 5 to 10 minutes from now and I kept stirring it and frying it. So the meat is very well done. It's nicely cooked at this point. Now I'll be adding salt if needed. I will also add lime juice and pepper powder and fry it for another 2 minutes and serve my methi mutton. This is how we prepare it, and if required, if you like, you can add extra chilies also. That's up to you. It's completely up to you. I like it spicy, so I added chilies, or you can leave that out. If you have kids at home, you can leave it out. The chili powder itself is more than enough. I like it extra spicy, so I've added chilies. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with my detailed blog post link and my social media handle links, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter links will be in the description box below this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed watching this video. Here you can see my methi mutton is ready. I've served it hot. It was excellent. Do give this recipe a try, friends. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.